Somebody just asked me about how do I wire the generator into the house, and I wired in a safety generator box down here quite a few years ago. This was before I was making videos. Here's my switch box right here, and this is the safety, what do they call these things? There's a name for them. Safety. Basically what this does is it shuts off the power to the pole when you plug the generator in. Here's my plug-in right here that goes into this from outside there. This plugs into right here, and let me just plug that in there. And then this wire runs out there to a plug that goes to the generator, which we ran over with a lawnmower, so that messed up that plan there. But what you do is when your generator is running, you flip these switches. Every time you flip a switch, this thing is wired into the fuse box, so this bypasses the fuse box and runs the power, instead of through the fuse box, runs it from the generator to whatever you have it wired to. And I got this one marked like switch A is the heater, and switch B is the refrigerator, and switch C is the hot water heater, and switch D is the says my room, and switch, you know, that's kind of the way that is. So, and these all have little fuses right here, and it has little gauges here so you can see when the generator's running, and that's how that works. Somebody asked me about that. What I am going to do is, what I did was I had a plug like on the other end of this wire that runs out of the house up there, and it was laid up in the bushes, and somehow or another we got in there with a lawnmower and we ran over the wire, and of course that killed that. And what I want to do is unwire it from that wire, because it's still out there, and run me a little box mounted on the side of the house, a little waterproof box, and wire that generator into that, so that I can plug a wire into the generator, from the generator to that box. When I plug it in that box, it'll be directly into that thing down there. I don't know if that helps or not, but that's an after the fact explanation. If any of y'all want to do that, if you go, I can show you where to find one of them things. If you go to like eBay, let's do a little eBay right quick. And I'm trying to remember what they call that box. I'm just going to put in safety. It's a safety, there it is right here. It's a generator safety transfer box. Here's one right here. They're not too cheap. This is one just like mine for 127 bucks. And there's another one almost just like mine for 225. So you can tell they're kind of expensive, kind of pricey. But you need something like that, because otherwise what will happen is when you run the power to the generator, that power goes into the line, and if there's a lineman out there working on the line, you can electrocute somebody. Or if you got your generator wired to that and they turn the power on, that power will backfeed in there, go to your generator and short your generator out. You get electrocuted that way. There's all kind of fun things that can happen when you're messing around with electricity. So this is one of them areas where it pays to get it right the first time. That's kind of what I was thinking. So I don't know. I hope that was helpful. I don't know if it was or not. But that's the best answer I got. See ya.